Hi, I'm Restivo Chris Stunts, and welcome to the channel. Remember, smoke tires, not drugs.
All right, you guys voted. Guess we're doing I said 90 in the poll. We're gonna run 100 in her. It's pretty spanked. From the last time we tried to do some drifting, you could tell most of it was on this side. We got a good tread on that side, but here's what we're working with. Pretty smoked in certain spots, so I don't know how long we're gonna last, but we'll see. All right, we'll put 100 PSI in her. Then we're gonna full send it off the rev limiter till it pops. We got 32 right now. All right, 100 PSI. We got 100 pounds in this bad boy. Gonna full send it till she goes. Y'all ready?
Hi, I'm Restivo Chris Stunts, and welcome to the channel. Remember, smoke tires, not drugs. Tire still had some life left in it, so we decided to send it some more. Here's another view of the send after the pop.
Son.